Arms house business that you deal with, man. We are deal with arms house business, that man. That me right, man. Arms house business. What you mean arms house business? You mean say when me I deal with and something good? No, man. Arms house business, man. A foolishness you deal with, man. Oh, you mean me talk about foolishness? Yes, man. Arms house business, that man. Arms house business. Welcome to Jamaican culture with Shah. Here I have with me Miss Mary. You know, one of the our senior, sorry Miss Mary, senior person back in those days to tell us, you know, I have our history, you know, we're going to talk a little about our history. It's getting close to our birthday, so we want to, you know, roll back the curtains. We want to, you know, memorize some of our culture, some of the old time things. So Miss Mary is here to help me. Hi Miss Mary, welcome. Thank you, ma'am. How are you doing today? Me hearty, ma'am. I see you in your glasses, sunshade and all of that. Yes, ma'am. You know the cataract, you know, ma'am, in my eye. So me have to keep on the glasses, the eye glass. Me have to keep on the eye glass with the sun, you know, ma'am. Okay. You have cataract in your eyes. Yes, ma'am. So why don't you operate on it? Lord, ma, me too old for no knife come put on me. No, yeah, ma. No, sir, me too old. Me left that too, no. Oh, you're not that old. Yes, ma, me a old bud now. Me a old bud. But me can't see little, ma. Me alright. Me can't see, ma. Me can't see. So me alright. Okay. Would you like something to drink? No, ma, me no want nothing to drink. Me drink little sorosy this morning, little sorosy tea this morning, and me alright. Okay, so we're gonna have a little time. I don't know how long, but we're gonna discuss. You know, I'll read the fact that you cannot see properly. Yes, ma'am, you read, and then, you know, we'll get into some more of the culture thing. At least you can help me through. Okay. First, I'll read this one. Jamaica is home to over 2,000 species of exotic orchid, 73 of which are indigenous. Explain some more of that to me, ma'am, or to the young people who don't really, you know our history, Jamaican history. Explain some more of that. Yes, ma. Me know about the orchid. What they call it, orchid? Or whatever. Yeah, ma. Yes, ma. Me know say his uncle in a Jamaica, you know, 73. You can, you know, say Jamaica have at least 73 of them. We uncle in a Jamaica then they. Yes, ma. Me know about that. Next one. In 1994, Jamaica was the first Caribbean country to launch a website, www.jamaicatravel.com. Did you know about that one? Yes, ma'am, we know all about that, ma'am. Established in Jamaica in 1865, the Manchester Golf Club is the oldest in the Western Hemisphere. Yes, ma'am, that is the lad, ma'am. You know long that the golf club did it from Wappy kill fill up, ma'am. How long before for you, mama, and for me? No, for me, before for you, mama. Ban. That the golf club did them a long time. Lord Jesus, Jamaica has some history, you see, ma'am. Okay. Another one. Despite being predominantly Christian, Jamaican Jewish residents are among the oldest on the island. I didn't know that. Yes, ma'am, we have true there a long time, a long time. But them, nobody no talk about it, but they a long time, ma'am. Okay, that one new to me. Yes, ma'am, yeah, young boy. They a long time. Them people there a long time, ma'am. The Ealing water of Jamaica are made up of several natural mineral baths and hot springs that are thought to have therapeutic properties. Yes, ma'am. Your parents didn't tell you about the healing water of Jamaica. Yes, ma'am. Lord, sometimes the arthritis take me. Lord, me have to beat in here. Me say, Lord, me should have go there, But me whole know, and me no want bother nobody, you know want bother nobody. But Lord, my good man, long time he did it. Yes, ma'am. Me sister did a long time. I want to what if he fill up that. A long time he did it. Wally part time me there. And me say, Lord, if me did younger, me da go take one bath. I need to help the arthritis when you beat the knee and Lord man and the shoulder. Lord. But only young people will make you say, but we have valuable history, I know, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we have valuable history. A long time in there. For me name come off of the almanac long time. Okay. Another one. Rastafarians make up less than 5% of the total Jamaican population. Yes, ma. Then there's when they have no holy Rasta like no. I don't me can't see them got you the cataract in my eye, but me have an idea, ma. Then time they used to have Rasta, them they the Rasta, Yes, ma. They the Rasta, man. They don't eat pork. If you have cooked pork, man, you can't come near them. Okay. You have to cook the pork and then cook for them something separate. They love them ital food and them vegetable and them eat fish, but they not touch the pork, man. But them in Rasta no, me no know, man. True, yes, me tell you, young people, me nothing bad about them. Okay. Another one. Jamaica's Kingston Harbor is the 7th largest natural harbor in the world. Yes, ma, you mean don't water from the Lord, mother, they say they did a long time. Yes, ma, it is the 7th largest natural harbor. Yes, ma, that the harbor it did it from Wapi. And one neither Lord Jesus from Israel from Wapi. Jamaica has one of the highest number of rum bars per square mile. Yes, ma. Lord, ma, the rum, me no like smell it. Me can't tan him, ma. For me husband, Lord, he drink the rum, he tagger over the rum. Lord, me can't take it. The rum smell so, Lord, ma, smell so bad. Lord, me, but I don't want to be stressed, so what we going to do? Another one. In 1688, Jamaica was the first colonial territory to establish postal service. Yes, ma. We a long time since them. Yes, ma. We know about that too. Jamaica was one of the first producer of banana in the world. Yes, ma, remember when we used to go, my parents and cut down the banana, and when they cut down the banana, then put them in a crate and pack them. Lord, ma, remember all of that, ma. We said Jamaica is blessed, ma. When you no go away, if you come back, ma. Lord, ma, Jamaica blessed place, ma. If you come back, we are holy history. When you see and you hear nothing, Lord, ma, we are history. Jamaica have history, history. You see me there a whole and me can't see. Come back. And when it come on to the young people, them like them no want say Jamaica then come from them no want, but come back. There's one more thing I want to ask you regarding some of our values. Help me with explaining some of our values. Yes, ma, we love we family. We love whole people like me. We love success. Yes, we love success. That's true. Yes, ma, we love when they have ambition. Lord, man, we just love when they pick them, keep their head straight, hold their head up. We love that, you know, man. Lord, man. Jamaica. No, we no better than yard, man. No, we no better than yard. And you, Miss Mary, we're gonna leave it there. And I thank you for taking some time out of your busy schedule and come and sit with me and share some of the culture. And we will be sharing more. They will be seeing your face more. Yes, mommy, glad for come, mommy, glad for sharing. But you know what I want you to do for me, Miss Mary? I want you to close off. I want you to thank each and every person who is watching. Yes, me thank you, no. And I want you to tell them, share. What you want me to do, ma? Tell them share. Share. Tell them like, and subscribe. And what? Subscribe. What you say, mama? Subscribe, Miss Mary. Say subscribe. Lord, ma. Subscribe. Just say subscribe. Say sub. Subscribe. Subscribe. Do you want me to say it for you? Subscribe. And I thank you for watching.